In this video, I'll show you how to easily create a 3D statue using a 3D printer. Let me guide you through the steps. First, go to makeworld.com and navigate to the Maker Lab page. Look for the Make My Statue section and click Start. If you're not logged in, sign in using your Google account or another account. Alternatively, you can sign up to create a new account. After logging in, select the type of 3D printer you're using. Then, check the I agree to terms of use box and click Next, followed by Get Started. Go back to the Make My Statue section. Click Create from blank, then click Confirm. Next, select the photo you want to turn into a statue. Make sure the photo follows the provided tips for the best results. After uploading the photo, Maker Lab will generate a 3D model based on the uploaded face photo. Wait until the generating process is complete. Once the generating process is complete, the 3D model will appear. Click Confirm to proceed to the editor page. In the editor, you can enhance your model by adding features like glasses or other accessories. You'll also find a transform tool that lets you adjust the position, rotation, and scale of the model for a more customized result. When you're satisfied with the edits, download the model. For this video, I'll download it in STL format, which is commonly used for 3D printing. This file will then be processed using Slicer software to prepare the print and send the commands to the 3D printer. After downloading the STL file, open it in the Slicer software. For the settings, I'm using 50% infill and PLA filament as the material. Make sure to scale the model to your desired size before proceeding. And here's the finished print. There's still a lot of support material, so make sure to remove it carefully. In conclusion, creating a 3D statue is very easy. All you need to do is upload a 2D photo, and the 3D model will be automatically generated, so there's no need for a 3D scanner or complicated editing. We walk through the process of uploading the photo, generating the model, making simple edits, and printing it using Slicer software with PLA filament. Just remember to carefully remove the support material once the print is finished. With these simple steps, you can create your own custom 3D statues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.